Hey, this is Derek, and this is a quick demo of how I'm able to use a CRM to send customized bulk messages to a contact list. One of the big advantages of a CRM tool is that you're able to build sort of flashy, newslettery style messages and send them to a lot of people. And these are messages that can have images and formatting and links and quotes and general add a look of polish, which doesn't ordinarily come through in a handwritten message. But one of the downsides is that it's sometimes difficult to create a message where the recipient feels like they are getting a customized, personalized message as opposed to just being, a name in a database. Sure, you can add in a little customization field where you'll read from a database and say, hello, first name. But most people, while that might fool a spam filter, most people recognize that they are probably just getting a message from a mailing list. What to do? Okay, I have exported from HubSpot a subset of my contacts list. I've just trimmed it down so it only shows a few columns that I care about. A contact ID, that is the ID number assigned to an individual contact within HubSpot or whatever CRM you're using. A first name, there's a last name column that I've been hiding for privacy reasons, and then a custom message field. Now, the custom message, the first two sentences and the last three are often things that I am repeating with very little variation. In fact, I write the message once and then I copy it all the way down so that there's a little bit of a standardized message. But then the rest of it, it's kind of like a customized sandwich where the meat of the message is exactly what you'd include in any other personalized message. Notes from your last conversation, a question that I've been meaning to ask, teeing up for a next meeting that we're planning to have. And I can customize the tone of the message based off of my level of formality or the extent to which I know the individual user. And pretty rapidly, or more rapidly than if I were doing this all manually, I can go down and go through the spreadsheet and have a fairly customized, personalized message for each of my contacts. I hit save, and I've saved this file as a special message. Going back to HubSpot, I have decided to try to import the file. So I'm importing one file, one object, and I am planning to update my contacts list. There's a special column in my contacts list called custom message, which we're going to use for this purpose. I'm going to select the file that I've just created called special message, and I'm going to say update existing contacts using contact ID. That was that first column that you saw in the spreadsheet. Hit next, and it says, aha, I have recognized that the first name, a column from the first name is the first name in HubSpot. The last name is the last name in HubSpot. So it's saying I've figured out that the information that's important here is the one that you're showing me. The final element, which is useful, is this custom message field, which we will be copying into a column called custom message. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to agree that all contacts have been expecting to hear to me, and I'll just say special message first newsletter, since that's what I'm planning to use it for, and finishing the import. Now, this message is going to be importing and has already done so. So 13 of my records have been updated. Going back to my email client, now you have my my email creator. You have the newsletter that I prepared, but we're going to modify it. So I'm going to go to this section that I've included here. I'm going to click Personalize, and I'm going to take text from the contact, and then I'm going to look for customized message. And I'm going to just make a space for the customized message. Insert. All right, so now when this this message gets sent out, it will insert the text from the customized message field appropriate for the recipient. So if I message Percy, Percy will get a customized message from me saying, hey, Percy, I'm looking for XYZ. I'm looking forward to meet with you in the next new year. And then the recipient feels like they get a customized message because indeed they are, in addition to the more mass-produced element of this email. So that's how you can both personalize and bulk send a message using HubSpot. And when I'm done with this, I'm just going to go and delete the customized message field in my CRM so that the next time I need to send an email, I can start fresh with a new customized message. All right. Thanks for watching.